Hello everybody, it is day three of Catherine's 12 days of Stitchmas. So can you believe we're day 3 already? If you're following along with Tracie's advent tags, this is day 3's page, and Antonio from Antonio Makes is doing today's offering. So go over to Tracie's website and click on Antonio, and it will take you to his video. So I'm just cutting 3 off because Tracie's done the work for me. So I can put that down there till later, cut this out. So this is what we did yesterday. It was so much fun. So much fun, but I mean, I'm biased because, you know, I love bullion. I love French knots and I love bullion, which again is another, it is another French stitch, I believe. So let's go to day 3. Now I've done a bit of decorating here, but we're going to go a bit further along. We might put some more decoration on that after the 12 days are over. So day 3, I've put some little itty bitties together for our tag for today, just to speed things up. And there's a 3 on there. I'll put the 3 there. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas treat yesterday. Our mindfulness calendar. It's surprising how we eat our food and we're always on the rush and we don't take time to really taste the flavours and enjoy it. I mean, if you go to France, you know, they take hours over their meals. They go out for a meal and they're there 2 or 3 hours just eating, because they, you know, they have all these little courses and, you know, enjoy every morsel. So yeah, that was a good thing to experience. So we'll see then. Yeah, let's see what mindfulness day 3 brings us. Do you know, you just can't get the staff. It's a good job I can reach it myself. No, Nelson's coming. Nelson's coming to help me today with it, because helping hands on the computer. That's another. I'll put that back because we had that snowman yesterday. So I'll mix it out a bit or else it's all going to look... Ooh, sorry, I'm leaning. Oh, look at that, it's cute. Right, so this is our day 3. I'm sure I need to be writing down because I've got papers all over the place. Right, sing a Christmas song. Activating your body, mind, breath and voice. There are few activities that involve you more comprehensively in the present than singing. Your task today is to sing a Christmas song. Don't worry, this need not be some grand solo performance to an audience. It could be singing carols as part of a group, an a cappella version in the safety of the shower, or simply singing along to the song on the radio. Whenever you choose to sing, all that matters is you give it your full attention and really go for it. Feel the breath in your chest and the vocal vibrations in your throat. Feel the emotions, both in tone and message of the song, and the personal feelings you get from the activity of singing. And most of all, enjoy singing for singing's sake, for fun and expressive act that it is. Singing engages you completely in the moment and can be as relaxing as it is exhilarating. Love it. So what I'm doing in my December daily journal, that's yesterday's. I've not finished writing about that yet. So that's yesterday's. And then we'll skip that page. Isn't it gorgeous, that? I've already got something in there. We could put that. Have I made a space for today? for number 3. No, I'll stick it in there and then I can write a bit about it. We need to do a bit more decorating on that second signature, don't we? But for today we have got Pistil stitch. Nice and easy one, but it is effective. So I've got my tag bits ready to save time. So again, all the backgrounds we printed out from Festive Compendium. I've backed it with card. I'm going to put a bit of this Christmas paper that David printed me off from the public domain, and he's printed it on cream. You know, I do like some of the Christmas papers printed on cream paper. It just gives you a totally different look, and I don't know, there's something Christmassy about cream paper. Let's put it like that, I think. Then I've got this big Christmas box. Now, I think this might have come from one of Tracie's freebies last year. Once you start building a stash up, you forget, don't you? But of course, you know, there's a lot of you that'll be playing along, won't be using any kits. You can use whatever you like. Get your colours out, get your crayons out, get your felt pens out, and just basically have fun. Right, we've got our postie box there. This is a round one as well that I quite liked. I'm going to stick that on. I'm not going to stick the whole lot out. We'll have a little pocket, I think. I've just decided, that wasn't my original plan, but if we do half of it, look, and stick it down on the tag there. Yeah. We've got a little pocket. Gotta pick a pocket or two. Gotta pick a pocket or two. You gotta pick a pocket or two. Do 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 do. Gotta pick a pocket or two. See, I've done it now. I've done today's mindfulness. I love Oliver. I just love musicals. I love that in there. I'm just going to put that in there. Do we want a bit of a label on? We've got a 25 cents. No, not keen on that for that. Christmas delivery. Yes, that's apt. Christmas delivery for a post box. That's appropriate, that is. Right, where am I going to put it? Up at the top? Oh, I don't know where. Let me get my hand out of the way. I'll put it at that side. So that is our tag made. I'm just going to tidy up the bottom. It's still got a bit of card showing. There we go, I like that. Right, so today I'm not putting it on the card. I've decided, so I've got some pianola paper here with bits in. I love all these. It's showing through, look, see my berries. I've stamped some a Bethlehem on there. So Pistil stitch, guys. I have cut down a tag. This is one tag from the from Tracie's kits, and I've put it on this. I just love this. It's got a scrappy edge, you know me and scrappy edges. So let's see. I like it that way. So Pistil stitch. I just looked at this and thought, oh, perfect for Pistil stitch. So basically it's a straight stitch with a French knot on the end. So yeah, I'm still getting my French knot kick. This is 6-stranded cotton. So 1, 2, like when you're doing a French knot, and then normally you do a French knot next to where you've come up with a Pistil stitch. You move your needle away so that you've got a stalk. Okay, so back up the middle, and I've put it on this thicker because it gives a bit of heft. Trying to sew just a flimsy bit of paper is a bit heavy going. So 1, 1, 2, take your stitch across, pull it through, there you go, back up to the middle. I might just get one more, I need some more thread. So 1, sometimes if you're nearly at the end, unthread your needle, 1, 2, take it to where you're going to put it through, half put it through, and then re-thread your needle. Just a tip if you can't get it because you've not enough thread left. And take that down through there. I'm just trying to get my thread through. It's got stuck now. It's okay. That's it. Just pull that through. Just going to thread that along the back because it's going to get stuck down. Just do a bit more. Where have I put my thread now? So as I say, it's just 6 strand, and I want it to show up clearly. No point in doing it if it's not going to show up. If I just did it with 3 strands, say, I don't think it'd be as prominent and it wouldn't sort of create the look I wanted. So, okay then, up the middle, take your stitch out to where you want it, wrap 2 round, take it to the end, hold it firmly so you don't lose the precision of your knot, and there you have it. Careful you don't keep stabbing through the same hole in the middle if you're doing if you're doing paper. 1, 2, whoops. So 1, 2, take it to where you want it, pull your knot tight, last one, up through the middle, 2 wraps round, take it out to the edge, just poke it through, then take your stitch through. There we have it. That's your pistol stitch, guys. Day 3 stitch of STITCHMAS. So don't forget hashtag STITCHMAS in capitals so we can see what you're up to. And don't forget that you need to be commenting on every video of STITCHMAS to be entered into the draw. Like and subscribe and all those good things so you don't miss all this lovely Christmassy fun. So I'm just going to put that on there. I like that. Oh, I'm knocking. Do you know, I'm not used to having such a small table and I'm knocking everything off. It's all over the floor down here. Nelson's covered in bits of paper. When I cut bits off, he's getting covered. He thought he'd do a little woof for you earlier so you could know he was here. There we go. Now I'm not happy with that. That's too loose. So we'll just... It's getting a bit of air in here now. It's getting near at the bottom. There we are. I'm going to stick that end down as well because I don't like that flappy. We don't want that flapping around, do we? Oh, I love that. Love, love, love. There we are. That's today's tag and our pistol stitch. So what have we got to do then, guys? Let's get... Oh, yeah. Pick jar. Helping hands improved. Thank you. Oh, this looks a lot. What's this? Oh, laced double stitch. It's a new one, guys, for our repertoire. Laced double stitch for day 4. I'll write 4 on just to remind me. Right then, thank you so much for joining me and have fun. Bye for now.